Hey, how's it going? It's Kris with Investors Edge Real Estate Group. I'm here today to tell you about a way that you can invest in real estate with your IRA or 401k. It's a really great strategy, and unfortunately only 4% of all retirement funds are self-directed and invested in things other than the stock market. So, preface, okay? I'm not a lawyer, I'm not a CPA. I know about this because I've helped my clients do it. And so we've done this many times. I know it works, but of course you obviously need to do your own due diligence and make sure that this works for you. A couple companies that can help you do this, Intrust and Vantage. There's a couple other companies throughout the country, but if you're in Arizona, these are the two big players in this game. So how does this work? So most people, when they work, they have an IRA or a 401k, some sort of retirement plan that the company usually sponsors, and sometimes they even kick in. So a lot of times people will work at a job for 5-10 years and then they'll go get another job. Well, that old IRA typically doesn't move forward. Most people don't pay attention. So a lot of times those retirement accounts, they're kind of sitting out there in space collecting nothing. They're not going to choose investments for you, so they're just going to keep them in the safe, secure, non-interest bearing accounts, and literally your money's out there doing nothing. So what you can do is you can self-direct that IRA. What you're doing is you're changing it from this IRA into a self-directed IRA. So you're going to go directly from here to here. You are not going to go here. You are not allowed to touch this money as a person. So you're going from your IRA to a self-directed IRA, okay? And from here, once you're self-directed, you can then invest in other investments, right? I think real estate and notes are some of the best investments that you can go with, but you're not limited to that. Definitely go to these websites and they'll tell you all about it, but as long as it's not a collectible or a life insurance, you can invest in it with your self-directed IRA. If you know how to buy and sell pigs and cows and make money off of it, you can do that. If you want to invest in a business or an LLC, you can do that. I actually have people who have invested in my LLCs with their retirement funds. I have people who self-directed their retirement funds and they lend me money for my fix and flips. So a lot of different ways that you can do that. So I believe that there may be a correction coming. A lot of people are talking about it. The stock market is booming right now. I mean, it's doing really well. We're over 21,000. I think we just dipped below that, but we're doing very well. People's accounts are doing great, and that's where you think you wouldn't want to take out. But don't forget, guys, you want to buy low and you want to sell high. It's high right now. So I'm not telling you to take everything out, but take something out. Take some profits. You did a good job. You recovered, and now it's booming. Now you're doing really great. Don't get caught in another downturn. Nobody can guess or predict when it's going to happen. What you can know is that you're already up here. You're at a higher level than it's ever been. So take a little bit of profits off the table. Invest in cash flowing real estate. And with that, the value of it doesn't matter because you're going to turn that into cash flow and passive income that you're going to use to live on for the rest of your life, that you're going to live on to retire. So turn that cash into cash flow. So that's my tip for the day. If you want to learn more about this, please visit my page on Facebook, Investors Edge Real Estate Group. Feel free to contact me. The details are below, and I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.